Now I will pick it to cook. Today I will guide everyone to grow okra in half a 20-liter can. Okra contains this substance that can improve skin health. The antioxidants in it can help purify the body. For the seeds to germinate well, I choose old and firm seeds to grow young plants. To keep the seeds moist for quick germination, water them and keep them moist. I will take the 20-liter can, cut off the top, and use it to grow okra. I used a water bottle, punched a hole in it, put the wick in, poured water into the pot, and placed it in the planter. To grow healthy plants, we must make the soil really good and rich in nutrients. I add vermicompost and rice husks to mix with the soil to grow plants. Now that the seed has produced a sapling, I will plant it. I put water in the bottle so the wick can absorb from the water to the soil to keep the plant moist. At this stage, the tree has taken root and is growing. I put fertilizer on top. This fertilizer is taken from goat manure and is called organic fertilizer. To make the tree stand more firmly, I added more soil to the base of the tree. I add more water to the bottle so that you can absorb water into the soil better. At this stage, pests and fungi invade very quickly, so I will mix garlic with water and spray it on the plants. Garlic is very effective in repelling insects and treating fungi. At this stage, the plant is concentrating nutrients on the fruit, so I add worm castings to increase nutrients for the plant. Oh, the tree I planted has now produced a lot of fruit. I will pick some to cook. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.